name's Kim Nelson. I'm here from Rochester from an organization called Speak Up for Palestine. I'm thrilled to see so many keffiyehs here today, so many Palestinian flags. When we say free Palestine, we mean we resist U.S.-Israeli militarism and the Epstein class. Free Palestine means silence the drones. We have seen the truth with our own eyes. Free Palestine means that we know what drones do to Palestinians. We've watched double-tap strikes and the targeted killing of civil defense, healthcare workers, and journalists for 2.5 years. Free Palestine means that we see that they target journalists here in the United States also. And we see the takeover of our media, the propaganda, and the censorship. Free Palestine means we resist the Israel lobby's takeover of our representative democracy. And we call out our senators, Schumer and Gillibrand, who do not represent us, who just voted to send more weapons and bulldozers to Israel. Free Palestine also means that we resist ICE. We demand an end to imprisoning people who have a right to due process. We know that the IOF trains ICE, and we resist that brutality. We reject and we resist cop cities and mass detention facilities. It is resistance to say free Palestine. Free Palestine. We resist the lies. No one is being liberated or kept safe by these wars. No one is safer because of drones. If there were a free Palestine today, there would be no U.S.-Israeli war on Iran with expansionist goals. Lebanon would have sovereign rights over its land. Free Palestine would mean that our universities didn't feed their physics and engineering grad students to L3 Harris and Hancock Drone Base to help manufacture and operate their death machines. Drones have empowered Israel. They have enabled genocide and the impunity of a state that now codified the execution of Palestinian prisoners. A free Palestine would mean that the resistance has prevailed in preserving ancient Persian culture in Iran. It would mean a restructuring of the Middle East for other purposes than U.S. hegemony. Free Palestine means we won't stand by while children are starved in Gaza by Israel or while children are given food with worms in detention centers in Texas. We resist. Our resistance burns inside of us and catches fire between us and is shared amongst us. Our resistance will grow. Free, free Palestine.